Pro-Tek Flooring is proud to unveil our latest wall panel and splashback collection. Featuring 72 stunning designs, from ultra-high gloss marble to natural stone, in both plain and tile effect decors, it's the largest range available in the UK. Each panel is 100% waterproof and comes with an added scratch and UV-resistant layer, ensuring lasting durability and vibrant color, without fading. Our exclusive SPC rigid core and engraved grout line technology create the look of real tile, without the hassle. All our wall panels have a built-in moisture and mildew protection layer, which offers effective prevention against water ingress and mold. With a lifetime residential and 30-year commercial guarantee, our panels are perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and commercial spaces. Unlike cheaper hollow PVC panels, Pro-Tek SPC wall panels won't warp, buckle, or lose their shape over time. Every panel is strong enough to take direct fixings, allowing you to securely screw straight through the panel into the wall for a clean, professional finish. With triple layer protection and a precision click system, Pro-Tek panels stay watertight, even at the joints. Simply cut, glue, and click. Installation is up to 5 times faster than ceramic tiles. Pro-Tek Wall Panels. Transform your space in hours, not days.